Hello and welcome to another video. This is US dollar Canadian dollar 240 minute chart. Let's see together where is our support, where is our resistance, and what will happen in next days. If you look at this chart in 240 minute chart, you can see a very strong support here. This support plus this trend line here made a very powerful support here, and market is bullish now. If we use this median line here, we can say market can touch here another time. If you search a good place for sell or sell limit, I think you should wait at least until here. And if we look at past of this chart, you can see this strong resistance area. So I suggest you wait until here for sell and don't sell before market touch this area, this resistance area. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget like and subscribe.